Hi. So my next question is, what is petroeconomy? What is petroeconomy? Okay, and examine the challenges of petroeconomy in Asia and South Africa, Asia and South America. What is the effect of petroeconomy? So what is petroeconomy first of all? First we will give the introduction. So introduction will be, petroeconomy are the national economy whose fundamental economic activity is based on petroleum resources. So petroleum resources, this is based on, okay, like studying, exploring, mining and petroleum, or refining and exporting or processing petroleum for various petroproduct are the different petroeconomic activity. Like crude oil, natural gas, shale gas, coal are the different petroleum resources. So we can discuss here crude oil, okay, natural gas, and shale gas and coal. These are the petroleum. So now nation like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Iran, Venezuela, Russia are some petro economies. But despite having huge petro resources, USA or India are not petro economics. But USA and India, they are not petro economy. Okay. So majority or not even a considerable part of their GDP is based on petroleum. That's why they are not petro economy. Now what, examine the challenges. Now we are discussing about the challenges for the petroeconomy. What was the question? What is the petroeconomy? Examine the challenges of petroeconomy in West Asia and South America. So first challenge is political challenge. Okay, political challenge is what? Petroleum is the most important resource undoubtedly in the modern industrial world. The growth of economy in the world become dependent on it, and powerful nations aspire to control or maneuver the production and distribution of petroleum. That is the challenge. Second is neo-colonialism. So neo-colonialism, USA has been known to control petroleum in world stage, and it has invaded petroeconomy like Iraq, attempted to install puppet regime of Libya. This has arrested the political freedom of this nation, and these Iran decided to sail out with any currency, not necessarily dollar. It alarmed USA because it supremacy in the world. So this is the second. Third is international climate change. International climate change control. International climate change control is 21st century challenge to petroeconomy, since there is a pressure to reduce petroleum as energy fuel under UNFCCC. So international climate change control is UNFCCC. UNFCCC, okay, that is a climate change. So powering past coal alliance mean to end use of coal by 2050. They are powering that we will never use the coal till 2050. Hence basic revenue sources and fundamental economic activity of this economy are affected also. Okay, and fourth is geopolitics. We can say geopolitics is there. Okay, so geopolitics is what? These economy become prone to war. During the Cold War, competition control oil resources by US and USSR. Then West Asian nation creating division among them and reduce the Arab solidarity. That is also the reason. Now piracy, like piracy. Piracy is the one reason. Okay, we can see in Venezuela, there is a piracy, serious security issue, oil tankers, rivalries in pricing and oil to make themselves competitive in comparison with other oil country like Begar, Thai neighbors policy, increase shale oil output to weaken the Arab world. Okay, so these are also the reason. Economic challenges. We are discussing about the economic challenges. What are the economic challenges? Lack of diversification of economy, since economy are dependent on one resources is not sustainable. If there is war or sudden fall in oil demand, the basic revenue for these nations is cut off. So that is the reason Saudi Arabia is doing diversification by inversion in tourism. And next challenge is competition from other energy sources like solar, wind power, which are becoming cheap nowadays. Next challenge is exhausting petroleum resources because of before that 4 billion ton per year, and now 53-year world is expected to run out of oil. Okay, so hence effort to diversify, we can give the conclusion Hence, efforts to diversify economy and cooperation among like-minded countries are necessary, and technique like biomining can be used to improve the efficiency. So we will give the conclusion in biomining. Okay, biomining and petromining and petromining. So petromining is important to improve the efficiency. It is a moral imperative that in the long term we limit fossil fuel use, and world has to support petroeconomy for an alternative future for them. So this is all we will discuss